Increasing subscriber engagement on a blog is not just about growing numbers but about creating a loyal community of readers who interact, share, and return regularly for more content. The first step is to deeply understand your audience, what they enjoy reading, what challenges they face, and what kind of content excites them. Analytics tools, polls, or surveys can give valuable insights that help shape your content strategy. Once you know your readers well, focus on delivering high-value content that educates, inspires, or entertains. Write practical how-to guides, share success stories, or publish opinion pieces that encourage discussion. Adding visuals such as infographics, videos, and images makes your blog more appealing and easier to consume. At the end of each post, ask open-ended questions to spark conversations and encourage comments. Make sure you reply to these comments quickly, showing readers that their opinions matter. Another effective strategy is using interactive emails to engage subscribers beyond the blog. Personalized subject lines, polls, and quizzes increase the chances of readers opening emails and clicking through to your posts. Offering exclusive perks such as free checklists, ebooks, templates, or early access to new articles gives readers a sense of belonging and makes them more loyal. You can also create a community outside your blog by starting a private group on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord, where subscribers can connect with you and with each other. Hosting live sessions, webinars, or challenges is another powerful way to engage readers directly. Consistency also plays a big role. Publishing posts or newsletters at a regular time makes your audience expect and look forward to your content. However, it is important to focus on quality over quantity to avoid overwhelming readers. Tracking engagement metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and comment activity helps you understand what works and what needs improvement. Removing inactive subscribers from your list keeps engagement healthy and ensures that your community is genuinely interested in your work. Ultimately, engagement grows when readers feel personally connected to you. Instead of treating blog posts as one-way messages, think of them as conversation starters. Share behind-the-scenes insights, personal stories, and ask for feedback to make your readers feel like they are part of your journey. When subscribers feel valued, they naturally become more active, loyal, and willing to share your blog with others. By combining quality content, interactivity, exclusivity, consistency, and community building, you can create a thriving blog where subscribers don't just read but actively participate and grow with you.